Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the Jeep is in park and the infotainment system is awake, and confirm your iPhone is unlocked. On the iPhone, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. Keep that screen visible because pairing sometimes times out. Next, on the Compass touchscreen, open the Phone or Uconnect pairing menu. This initiates device discovery. You do this now because pairing requires both sides to be discoverable simultaneously. Once done, move to selecting the device name on the card. Once the Jeep appears in the iPhone Bluetooth list, tap it to start pairing. You'll see a passkey on both the car display and your phone. Make sure the codes match, then confirm on both the infotainment screen and the iPhone. This secures the connection and prevents accidental pairing. After pairing, grant permissions for contacts and favorites if you need hands-free calling and caller ID. Also enable audio/music if you plan to play media. These options control what the car can access and why. Finally, set your iPhone as the primary device in the Compass if you'll use it most often. That saves automatic reconnects. Test one phone call and a short audio track to confirm both call audio and media routing work. If the phone won't connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or remove the Jeep from the iPhone Bluetooth list and the phone from Uconnect and repair. If things still fail, power cycle the phone and the car's infotainment system. That clears temporary glitches and usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.